Hello friends, once again this will be a very short video just showing you some levels, nothing else. Time frame is 1 hour. Instrument is Nifty futures. Just focus on these two zones. One is here and one is here. Note down the value 16878. Right now it is getting support from this zone. Moment this zone get break, a waterfall will start. This was for Nifty. Bank Nifty. Let me level is 35748. Go with 35750. Once this taken out, a waterfall in Bank Nifty. Why I use term waterfall is because of weak RSI. RSI daily is C. See the slanting RSI. Moving average 20 is also about to curve down. It is 43 around. Let me check for Nifty as well. Nifty 44, something like that. Into big zones below are waiting. People are jumping because of LIC IPO, but when good and big IPO like this comes, liquidity is taken out from market. This reason no one taking in consideration. Anyway, we'll see how this go, but still I am not very much hopeful. मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा उम्मीद नहीं है मार्केट से because of global factors and weak structure of our market. The big reason I am showing why I am bearish. This is VIX chart, and VIX is getting support at this fair value gap. Can go to 22.7. Let's see how this goes. See the up move here, and when VIX is trending up, you know what happens. Thank you very much for this short video. All the best. Bye bye.